Hello, my dear students of Primary 3. I hope you're all okay and doing well. In today's video, we will study together spelling list 1 you have in Unit 15. And please, before we start, prepare your Oxford Discover book and open it at page 148. Now, this unit is talking about plants and why we need plants. Let's see the first word we have. The first word is soil, and soil is a noun that means where plants and trees grow in. This part, this black part, is the soil, and this is where any plant, grows in. We have an example that says the soil here is very poor. When the soil is poor, it means that it is not good enough for growing any plants. The next word is seeds, and seeds, as you see in this picture, is the small and hard parts of a plant, and we put the seeds in the ground and then new plants grow. Okay, so we cannot get any new plants without seeds. Our example says the seeds will sprout in a few days. Okay. Let's go to the next word, which is roots. And roots is the parts of a plant that are under the ground. This part, of course, we cannot see because it's under the ground. And our example says storms make trees take deeper roots. So when we have storms, so the storm make the trees have deeper and deeper roots. We have also stem, and stem is the long and thin part of a plant that the flowers and leaves grow on. This part, okay, that flowers and leaves grow on. Our example says there are several leaves on each stem. And leaves means the flat parts that grow on a plant or a tree, and they are usually green. Okay, this flat part, this flat part, and of course they are usually green. We have two examples. The first one says the color of leaves is green in summer, and the other example says the leaves turn brown in autumn. We have also petals, and petals means the parts of a flower that give it color. So without petals and flowers, the flower will have no color. Our example says the flower has 7 petals. We have nectar, and nectar means the sweet liquid that bees get from flowers to make honey. So we cannot get honey without nectar, and the bees get nectar from flowers. Our example says the bee turns nectar into honey. We have also pollen, and pollen is a powder that flowers make, and insects or the wind take pollen to other flowers so that they can get or they can make new seeds. The example says the pollen count is very high in the spring. The last word, sorry, no, this is not the last word, I'm sorry. Okay, this word is oxygen, and oxygen, of course, this is the gas in the air, and animals and plants need oxygen to live. So animals and plants and humans as well cannot live without oxygen. The example says oxygen is necessary for life. This is the last word, and it's humans, and humans are people. Okay, humans means people, and the example says carbon dioxide produced by humans. Guys, we finished this spelling list and hopefully understood all the words I explained. Thank you so much for watching and listening. See you soon. Bye bye.